Good morning, everyone. Let's wait for one more minute. It's already 8:47. We'll start exactly at 8:48 as still people are joining in. Okay, so once again, a very good morning. So before we start this session, this is a disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NSM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So let us start our webinar by how the US market has been placed, where yesterday US election results were out and Donald Trump has became the 47th president. So as a result, the US market has been gained almost 3.5% Dow, and S&P 500 rose around 2.5%, and Nasdaq also around 3%. On the flip side, Asian market has been bit in struggle. Even European market has closed on the negative side. However, yesterday overall market has been gained, but today there was a slight profit booking in the overall global market. So the key news from the international market, where the US market has recorded highs after is a one-way run for the Donald Trump, where he secured majority of the position, and also major key rate is decision which is due today, and I think it will by tomorrow morning we'll get to know what are the FMC outcome and the rate cut decision. So that is going to be a key trigger for the coming days for the market. And because since Donald Trump has majority of the bitcoins are recorded around $76,000, where he gives the thumbs up for the bitcoins. So that's the positive sign for Bitcoin. And Australia banned social media for the children under 16. And coming to the domestic market, Niva Bupa Health Insurance, which is IPO, which is coming, they secured around 990 crores from the anchor investors. And coming to the earnings, first one is Chambal Fertilizers. Net profit grew around 41%, but however, revenues declined around 19%. So it's kind of a negative numbers from Chambal Fertilizers. And Gujarat Gas revenue has declined around 15% quarter over quarter, and profit down was around 7% quarter over quarter. However, EBITDA margin has been improved by 160 basis points. So it's kind of a decent number from Gujarat Gas. However, in terms of revenue as well as profit, it was slightly down. And Tata Steel, a very good number from Tata Steel, where last year, same quarter, they have reported a loss, but however, they are at profit around 758 crores, and revenue is down around 3%. It's a kind of decent number from Tata Steel. And then Power Grid, it's a decent number. Q2 profit is up around 0.3%, and revenue is up around 0.1%. And Apollo Hospital, very good numbers, where net profit grew around 59%, and revenue is up around 13%. So it's a very good number from Apollo Hospital. And Endurance, net profit is up around 31%, and revenue is up around 14%. So that is also very good number from Endurance. And Kansai Nerolac, they have it's a weak earnings from Kansai, where net profit is down around 31%, and revenue is also down around 0.3%. And Blue Star, where the Q2 net profit is grew around 36% almost, and revenue is up around 20%. So it's a very good number from Blue Star. And today, these are the companies they are going to report its earnings, majorly like M&M, Trent, PFC, Lupin, Cummins, Indian Hotel, RVNL, Escorts, and Torrent Power. So they are going to report today earnings, Q2 earnings. And coming to the derivative data, Nifty PCR is still trading below one, and current compared to last week, it is bit improved because of last 2 days. There is a positive pullback from the market, and Max Colloy is placed around 25,000, and followed by 24,500, and put over is placed around 24,000 and 23,000. So it's kind of like 1,000 kind of range for the market. And coming to the news where the index has been placed. So this is a Nifty 50 daily chart, and you can see here after the head and shoulder pattern breakdown in the month of October last week and third week. So after the breakdown and 100 DMA breakdown, the index has been making lower high, lower low price formation, and it has reached that level where previous level of support, August level support, where it has given a very good support level around this level. So that is around 23,800 kind of level, which has given a very good support around that area. And from last 2 days, because of global market as well as uh, in the domestic pullback rally, which we seen in the last couple of days. So index has pulled back from that level, and currently at around 24,500 kind of level. So what the next if you see here, after the head and shoulder neckline breakdown, so index likely to touch 24,550 kind of level, where the first leg of resistance might face around that 100 DMA is also placed around that area, and 38.2 retracement from the lows which made from the highs of September to November. So that also comes near around 24,750 700 kind of level. So that could be the next leg of resistance for Nifty 50. Where if that level sustains and holds, then the next 50's next level will be 25,200 kind of a level we can expect in Nifty 50. However, on the flip side, this previous low, that is 23,800, 850 is a very good key level support for Nifty 50 as of now. Overall, market has a weakness in the short-term period of time, where overall structure is weak. We can't consider only two days pullback into where the index has been turned positive. It has to cross that. I think at least 25,000 level for next leg of uptrend. Still, till then, the index likely to trade in this particular range for the next coming days. If fall below 23,800, we may index next leg of support will be around 23,500, and head and shoulder target of 23,300 kind of level in the next coming days. So in today's expiry session, what we can expect is index likely to open on a muted note and continue to trade slightly volatile in the range of 23,000 uh, 200 to 23,700 kind of level. It might trade in this particular range in in one or two trading session. So thank you for watching this webinar, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session at around 4:30 with Market Smith India team. So thank you, everyone.